Volume 3, Becoming a True Power, User Systems, Frameworks, Mastery. This one isn't just about knowing prompts. It's about designing whole systems around ChatGPT so you basically become unstoppable. I'll go long form, as maxed out as I can in a single shot. Strap in! Volume 3, Master in ChatGPT is Power. The blueprint of mastery. 1. The shift from user, architect. Most people treat ChatGPT like Google with extra sass. They ask a question, get an answer, and bounce. That's entry level. True mastery means you stop thinking in queries and start thinking in systems. A user says, write me an essay. A power user says, you are my ghostwriter, trained in my voice, structure my essay pipeline with draft, refine, polish, fact check, stylize. See the difference? You're no longer just asking for output, you're designing a process. Key power move, role assignment. Always start with, you are my role. It transforms ChatGPT into a specialist, not a generalist. I2, framework thinking. Think of ChatGPT as a Swiss Army knife. You don't just whip it out randomly, you use structured frameworks. Here are some killer ones. CREATE framework for prompts. Context, set the scene. Role, assign expertise. End goal, what final form you want. Actions, steps GPT should take. Tone, casual, formal, witty, etc. Edges, constraints, word count, formatting, etc. The 3-pass system. 1. Pass 1. Dump raw ideas, brainstorming, messy. 2. Pass 2. Structure, clean it, organize, outline. 3. Pass 3. Polish, make it smooth, stylish, and finished. This transforms sloppy outputs into production level results. Ling, Sambuting AI pipelines. Mastery is about chaining outputs together. Example, let's say you want a research paper pipeline. 1. Researcher role, summarize 10 recent studies on X. 2. Analyst role, compare and synthesize them into themes. 3. Writer role, turn that into a structured academic paper. 4. Editor role, proofread and apply APA formatting. 5. Presentation role, create a 10-slide presentation with visuals. Congrats, you've basically created a one-person research department with infinite coffee. Pi 4, the weapon of memory. Right now, ChatGPT can remember context. But true mastery is learning to create your own external memory. Use Notion, Obsidian, or Google Docs as your brain vault. Feed ChatGPT your own notes regularly so it gets your style, yarn, your knowledge base. Example, here is my entire backlog of science notes. From now on, integrate them whenever I ask study questions. This turns ChatGPT into a personalized AI clone of your brain. Lemma 5, beyond prompts, engineering your reality. You don't stop at text. ChatGPT can design for multiple domains, code generation, build apps, bots, automations, API chaining, link GPT with tools like Zapier, Make, or IFTTT. Multimodal mastery images, DALL-E, voice, Whisper, TTS, video, Pika Labs, Runway, spreadsheets, slide decks. A master doesn't just talk to GPT. A master builds entire ecosystems powered by GPT. -6. The secret sauce, feedback loops. The difference between a casual user and a pro is iteration. Instead of write me a story about a dragon, write me a story, refine character depth, adjust pacing, increase emotional tension, add foreshadowing, final cinematic polish. Think like a director. You don't accept the first cut, you workshop it. Lemon 7, the future-proof play. This is big. Tools evolve. GPT-4, GPT-5, whatever comes next, you'll always be ready if you follow this mindset. Principle over tool. Learn frameworks, not just features. System over single output. Build repeatable processes. Integration over isolation. Connect GPT with your real-world workflows. Mastery is not knowing everything GPT can do. Mastery is knowing how to bend any AI to your will. 8. Examples of master moves. Here's what it looks like when you apply mastery. Entrepreneurship. Create a business plan. Auto-generate website. Design logo. Market with social media strategy. simulate customer feedback, student life, summarize syllabus, generate test questions, practice with flashcards, mock oral exams, produce last minute cheat sheets, creativity, draft novel, world build characters, generate cover art, design trailer, publish promo campaign. Each one is an entire workflow, not a single task. 9. The mindset of a master. The final unlock is psychological. Stop asking, what can ChatGPT do? Start asking, what system can I design where ChatGPT is my engine? Masters don't just use AI. Masters orchestrate AI. TL, DR of Volume 3. Think in roles and frameworks, not questions. Chain tasks into pipelines. Build memory systems. Use feedback loops to refine. Integrate GPT with other tools. Focus on principles and systems, not features. And once you internalize that, master in ChatGPT is power stops being a slogan and becomes a lifestyle. That's Volume 3, maxed out. A full manifesto. Wanna go even harder for Volume 4? I can push into stuff like monetization, empire building, and becoming an AI native creator.